As Chief Digital Officer, what that means is I'm responsible for the digital side of the business. In reality, what I love about my job is there is no clear frontier of where does it start and where does it end. We're moving away from being a fairly traditional business, extremely fast becoming a digital business. Again, more than 2 billion online, more than £1 billion purely on mobile. So it requires a certain type of character that enjoys that pace, that enjoys that change, that can help us define what kind of technology platform we want to be at.
We're about 2 years into the digital transformation. And so you're at a spot where a lot of the groundwork has been laid, but there's still a lot to do. And most importantly, the design of the team, the ways of working, the technologies we're going to use, many of those are still unanswered. And many of those are still to be answered by the people who join us now. So it's an awesome time.
We've been working on things like relevancy algorithms. So relevancy algorithms include things like what do people really interact with? These are called behavioral algorithms. So when a person comes into your site and they say red kettle, and you give them a bunch of kettles, what do they touch? What do they go and look at the product details on? That's called engagement. So how are people engaging with your products?
Technology I use day to day is JavaScript for building isomorphic UI. And we're using React UI library. We're using the Flux application architecture. It's exciting to be using the same technology that's being used at some of the biggest startups and tech companies in the world.
We're like a football team, and slowly you start off where you're not really aligned, but now after a couple of weeks you can see that you know exactly who to go to if you have an issue with something. So let's just say a UI problem, Alex is your man. He's just pretty cool.
The atmosphere of the team is really good, but in terms of sort of the reward that I get from my work, it's when, especially with apps, it's quite good because you're getting immediate customer feedback in App Store reviews and sort of your star rating in the App Store and the Google Play Store.
What we've got here is a nice little setup because we have got an in-house usability lab. So we test every 2 weeks everything that's going on. So people basically queue up to get into the lab as fast as they can so that we know that we're going the right direction.
I've got a few interesting names on my CV. One of them is going to be Argos because people are going to look at this as a case study for digital transformations for the next 5, 6, 8 years. If you're a young developer, you want to put that on your CV. So I think that's a bit of it. Also, it's a cool place, nice people.